Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jody. If you're new here, feel most welcome. Today I'm dropping down my new apartment tour, guys. An empty apartment tour. Yes, we are moving out and we'll be moving into this house. Yeah guys, so this I was just doing how do we call it? I was doing a tour, house empty apartment tour. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah guys. I really love the space. It's really lit, and the window is so huge, and the lighting here is a tick for me. And then also it has a separate bathroom and a toilet. That's also a plus, because in our current house we had a that's me, guys, big girl. In our current house we had a combined bathroom and a toilet, and if you are living more than two people, more than one person, it becomes a hell, because sometimes someone want to use the toilet and someone is using the bathroom. It becomes so hard. Yeah, so I know the struggle, but now I'm happy now that this one is separate, and I really love the space. It's big. This house is spacious. It's been enough for us. We are moving out because you people know that someone is on the way and someone might come with their own things. And the house that we were, it was so squeezed. And now we decided, me and my partner, we decided that we need to move out to have an humble space to bring our new baby home. Yeah, this is now the corridor. That's our kitchen. The kitchen is spacious. It's so big. It's got enough cabinet to store things, and I really love that it has a double sink. Guys, check. Okay, it has some dents or damages which were the landlord was going to correct, to renovate, of which I didn't have any issue with. We had communicated with him, and I really love that space. Guys, let me now show you the shock of the day. This is my balcony. This is my balcony. A few people know we recently got a washing machine, and in the current house we had just to fix it in the living room because there was no space. But this space is big. This balcony is huge. We'll just do our laundry and then you just hang here. There's no going to somewhere going to hang. You do your laundry, then you hang it. Luckily enough, I'm happy because I've gotten a machine and it really spins well, so there'll be no droppage of water. And life will continue. We can even do a laundry at night, hang them there. They rest there like a week. That's my beautiful sister. And then no one tamper with your things. It's you and you. In your house, you and you. I really love that space. And these were things which were left by the person who moved out. There's some bits of renovation that will be going on, but I really love it. I'm thinking of painting it white and doing some 1-2 things, but if I do, guys, I'll show you. Yeah guys, so this is the second bedroom. It's so huge, and tell me, why is this room so lit like this? The closets are big, but there were a bit of damage which they are going to correct, and they're so huge. This is also a plus, because in our house we only had one which was full. Guys, it was full, so full, and my baby will come and disarrange everything. I arrange, he disarrange. But I'm lucky now, we'll have enough space to organize things well, and my sister will also have her own space. This is the master. It's so big and just the same like the other one. Not much difference, it's just a bit of size and the sides. And then boom, my sister came with this. Guys, I was just relaxing. Then my sister came with this cakey. It's my birthday. She is the best sister in the world. Best sister. My best friend. Let's see the cake. Hey, happy birthday, sis. Allah. This girl gonna kill me with some love. With some love. With some love. With some love. With some soda here. We want to dive on it. Sijui tuite majirani ama tuache kuwaita. What do you think, guys? Tuwaite ama? Listen to Dila. Hi, I was busy watching my vlog. Guys, I'm happy.